This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Welcome home to this beautiful and well-maintained condo that has been freshly painted. This home boasts an open floor plan with a first-floor primary ensuite and spacious bedrooms and loft space, and is move-in ready. Conveniently located near retail shopping and restaurants, this community provides all you need. HOA and condo fees include pool and clubhouse membership, playground, lakes, trails, master building policy, all exterior maintenance, and trash pickup. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.